Well, hello. This is Rochelle, and thank you for joining me here on the Creative Retreat YouTube channel. Today I'm working in my mini Bible. These little pocket books are just absolutely adorable. I wish it had the Old Testament too, so that I could do the Psalms in there. But nonetheless, I'm journaling in one of my favorite verses for this month's Faith Art Box or devotional called My Refuge, and I'm journaling in Matthew 11, verse 28. And it's actually funny because everything pretty much went wrong that could go wrong with this video, and I had to kind of redo it, but it is what it is. So I am laying down a layer of burgundy Deco Art Americana paint. You could use any acrylic paint if you wanted to. And then I'm going back to one of the previous kits from Creative Retreat, and their stamp set has this little desert rose in it as well. And so I'm going to use that. It has two different sizes of the desert rose, and I'm just kind of going to put it all over and make my own pattern paper using some of the colors in the kit and the Creative Retreat ink pad. This is a white chalk ink pad and works perfectly if you heat set it just a little bit. Just building the background here, so lots of fun. Wanted to tell you about this favorite verse of mine, Matthew 11, verse 28. It really is one of those verses that just speaks to me, and I particularly enjoy it in the Message translation because it says to come to him and to learn the unforced rhythms of grace. And for me, that's what a refuge is. It's that place where you don't have to try and push out fruit, and you don't have to try and be something that you're not. That refuge that Father God is speaking of is really the place where you can be you, and where Father God loves and protects you as you are. Doesn't mean that he's going to let you stay that way, but it really is that place of rejuvenation and restoring, and that refuge is such a special place. I love the verse in Psalm 91 where it says that he is my refuge and my fortress, that safe place, that place where we can go to learn these unforced rhythms of grace. I know that for me, like I said, having to do this video, it kind of had to do it over again, and it was, like I said, lots of fun. But it's in that place where we try so hard to do things our way, or find refuge in a place that really doesn't give us refuge. It's like when you take a personal day and really what you need is not a personal day, it's a day with the Lord. And so in the seventh day, he rested in creating the world and us. And that rest doesn't necessarily mean to go and lie down and watch Netflix, although all of us want to. Just take a day, eat lots of ice cream and watch Netflix. Sometimes that rest is just in coming back to the truth, coming back to that first love, coming back to the safety of unforced rhythms of grace. And so this message was really, it hit home for me in such a big way. And these birds with the cover, the shelter of their wings really spoke to me. And I love desert roses because it's kind of the only thing I can keep alive. Well, before my husband got his not so small puppy. But yes, so I kind of just cut out the words from the sentiment in Psalm 91 and hello, grace. Learning the unforced rhythms of grace. Stamping down my date stamp imperfectly 3 times just to remind myself that this is the place where I can be with Father God and not do everything my own way. Using that same Pit Artist pen, big brush marker, and using some water and highlighting my verse. That's it then. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.